hiccups! My hiccups are gone!
The loud boom from the explosion probably shocked your hiccups away. Sorry.
Don't be sorry. Hiccupism is already over. Inflatable is the future. We're going to work together and create a better style. We'll call it Boomism.
Boomism, you say?
Yes, boom! Boomism! It's an explosive style that really takes you by surprise. The explosion after inflating it, the beauty of it happening now. Oh, by the way, thanks for helping me with my hiccups.